Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to show you my PC that I got. I did build this myself. It has as you can see, has a Ryzen 7 5000 series, has 3 fans in the front. I am getting an exhaust fan for the back, and then it has a cooler fan as usual. It has 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, a GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Yeah, it's really good. As you can see, got Windows on here. Windows XP, that's Windows 10. So yeah, I just thought to show you that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and seeing that video.